Do you want to crack government exams and searching for the best institute in Shillong to help you achieve this goal?
EdRex Academy, a government-registered coaching academy established since 2012, is ready to help you find the success you have been longing for.
EdRex Academy conducts coaching programs for UPSC IAS exam, MCS, MPS, MPSC, SSC and IBPS PO exams.
Located at Dhankheti near Shillong Law College, you can contact the office of EdRex Academy for admissions.
You can call 883-742-8856 or 923-326-7721. You can personally meet our counselor for more details about our coaching programs. Our fee for our courses are affordable and can also be paid in easy monthly installments. Our student intake is not more than 20 students in a batch, so as to focus more on quality of teaching and personally mentor our students. So why wait? Come and join our academy today.